Before we continue reading, we're going to review the blue text box questions on the left. Number 5. How did the Etruscans influence early Rome? Number 6. How did Romans rule differently from the Etruscans? The Etruscans introduced togas and short cloaks. A toga is like a sheet wrapped around your body, with one end over your shoulder. Most importantly, the Etruscans showed the Romans how an army could be more effective. Later, the Romans copied the Etruscan army and conquered an empire. Etruscan influence on Rome: buildings, roads, clothing, army. Greek influence on Rome: growing olives and grapes, alphabet, art. Becoming a republic. The Etruscans ruled Rome for more than 100 years. The people benefited from the Etruscan culture and ideas, but they got tired of Etruscan rulers. According to Roman tradition, in 509 BC, the Romans rebelled and set up a republic. A republic is a form of government in which citizens elect their leaders. Rome was still a small city when it becomes a republic. It had enemies all around it. Over the next 200 years, Rome fought many wars. By 267 BC, the Romans had taken over the Greek colonies in what is now known as Italy. By then, the Romans ruled almost all of the Italian peninsula. The Roman Republic grew because of its strong army. Roman soldiers were well trained. At the beginning of the Republic, every male citizen who owned land had to join the army. Men who ran away or deserted the army were killed. This turned Romans into loyal fighters. The Romans also thought of better ways to organize their army in battle. At first, the soldiers marched next to each other, moving in one large group. They attacked their enemy from only one direction. This way of fighting was slow. Then the generals changed the style of battle. The Roman generals divided their armies into groups of soldiers called legions. Each legion had about 6,000 men. Legions were broken into smaller groups of 60 or 120 men. These small groups could move very quickly in battle.